LawDepot Power of Attorney Forms Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people assume creating a power of attorney requires a lawyer, but the surprising truth is that LawDepot makes it simple, affordable, and legally compliant. LawDepot offers individual forms for about, or a monthly membership at $95 for unlimited access to all forms, including powers of attorney, wills, leases, and contracts. Membership also provides updates to forms to ensure legal compliance as laws change. For example, if you want to grant someone authority to manage your finances, LawDepot guides you step by step. You answer simple questions, and the platform generates a customized, legally valid power of attorney ready to download and sign. Clear instructions reduce errors, ensuring your document will be accepted by banks or government agencies. Additional benefits include cloud storage, optional attorney review, and the ability to print or share documents digitally. This convenience makes it easier to manage important legal documents without unnecessary expenses. In conclusion, LawDepot provides strong value for anyone needing powers of attorney or other legal forms. The guided process, flexible pricing, and ongoing updates make it a practical and cost-effective solution for personal and business legal needs.